Spirit Tower, information Papa. Wind 040 at 7, visibility 10. Cloud scatters at 5,000, temperature 21.
For Juliet, eastbound departure is approved, on course, creep core approved, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Course creep core approved, 8 right, clear for takeoff for 84 Juliet, thank you, sir.
There, Commerce Bank 1, visual 8 right.
Bank 1, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
To land 8 right, Commerce Bank 1.
Bank 1, left turn enable, taxi air charter via Alpha. You can monitor ground point 7 and contact them when you're ready for the outplane.
Via Alpha, we'll monitor and contact
Jack 255, Spirit Tower, right turn out southwest approved, runway 8 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Right turn out approved, cleared for takeoff, 8 right, crew track 255.
Spirit check 1079, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, I'll call your turn out southwest, runway 8 right at Alpha 10, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, you'll call our turnout, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, clear track 1079.
Bank 1, 8 right, line up and wait.
Runway 8 right, Commerce Bank 1.
Commerce Bank 1, Cherokee traffic, 3 mile, final turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Right, turn 150, clear for takeoff 8 right, Commerce Bank 1.
Bank 1, again heading will be 150, contact St. Louis departure.
150, going to departure, Commerce Bank 1.
367, thank you, runway 8 right, you are cleared to land again.
They're right again, clear track 367.
Seven, exit Alpha 5 and straight in with me.
5 straight in with you, clear track 367, have a good one. Tower gas light 7 on the visual, 8 right.
Flight 7, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Land 8 right for gas light 7. Or gas light 7, confirm, clear to land 8 right.
Flight 7, affirmative, 8 right, clear to land, number 1.
Right, clear to land, gas light 7, thanks.
Gas Flight 7, left your enable, contact ground, point 7.
Ground point 7.
Our second city, 758 with down the visual 8 right.
Second City, 758, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land, number 2, following citation, currently 5 mile final.
Clear to land 8 right, second city, 758.
The 758, left turn, your discretion, contact ground point 7, have a good day.
City,
Our November 2, November Quebec is now 7 to the west, landing full stop with Quebec, like 8 right.
Since that's the 2 November Quebec, sorry I didn't get any call for you inbound. That's fine, just make straight in for runway 8 right, you're clear to land, number 1.
Land 8 right, number 1, November 2, November Quebec.
Tower information, Romeo, now current wind variable at 3 altimeter 3002. But 2 November, Quebec, left turn, Alpha 5, contact ground point 7 for your taxi around, have a good day.
5.7, 2 November Quebec, good day.
second city, 758 ready, 8 right.
Second City, 758. Amend your climb out instructions on climb out. Climb and maintain 4,000. Fly runway heading, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff.
Heading clear for takeoff, runway 8 right, and maintain 4,000, second city, 758.
Tower, Flexjet 527 is in an extended right downwind for 8 right.
Flexjet 527, Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Wind 170 at 4, runway 8 right, cleared to land. Just use caution. I do have multiple aircraft in the pattern on the north runway. You may see them on their base turn. No factor for you.
We're going to slow down and go down and clear for visual 8 right, Flexjet 527.
Flexjet 527, you're clear to land on 8 right.
Clear to land 8 right.